This is where people come to relax. Look at the way it is serene. Look at the tranquility around this place. It's so nice, yeah? Let me just show you guys around. Yeah. Yeah. Missing someone.
Lake Simbi Nyaima, meaning the village that sank, is a lake located in Homa Bay County, a few kilometers from Kindu Bay town. So how did this lake come into existence? Let my cousin tell you, because she's a local here. The legends have it that it was an homestead. It was like a village. Then came a woman. She needed help. Everyone in that village refused to help her.
Akapata boma moja, wakamkaribisha, wakapea manguo za kuvaa kila kitu. Akaambia watu beba.
Then she found one homestead that helped her with food, shelter and clothes. And then she told them,
watoto wenyu, beba ng'ombe zenyu, kila kitu yenyu, mubebe muondoke. Mafuriko ikakuja, ikageuka lake. Oh. Yes.
Then she told them, carry all your belonging, your children, your flock, and follow me. Then the village sank and turned into a lake. That is what the legends say.
You've heard what my cousin has told you. The legends have it that there was a young lady who came here, a woman who came here for help. So no one wanted to help her. So when so the one family that helped her, she told them that there was going to be a flood here. So they took all their things, their cows, their goats, their children, they left. The people who didn't help her, they ended up drowning here. Legends have it like that. They ended up drowning here. Fact, yeah? They're giving me these facts bit by bit. The locals here come to get this water. They believe it has healing power. If you have rashes in your body, what other thing? Rashes edendi.
Ndulume inatibu vitu mingi.
Epilepsy. Ndulume ni epilepsy.
Kimadho kiluokorie.
So it also heals epilepsy. They believe that
so many things.
If you drink this, if you have epilepsy, it goes away. So they just believe
if you go mad,
if you drink it, it's just, they say it's so many things. It has healing power. So I'm just going to wash my feet here so that I can rub in some healing power.
Stay high for the most of time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your climb. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are. I'm naked and I don't know yet. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
With the serenity and the tranquility around this place, most of the locals just come here to chill. If you have a lot on your mind, you can just come here to chill, have a sober reflection, read a book, just come here to breathe in, breathe out, and then come out with a miracle. Okay. Another fact, the last fact, this one is in dispute. I'm not quite sure about it, but the locals have said it. So we'll have to find out the truth together.
So I'm being told that this place is really, really deep, deep like the Pacific Ocean, yeah? That's Pacific Ocean. It is this one, you cannot find the deepness. That is what they are saying. That even if a car goes in here, it will be hard to retrieve it. That is what they're saying. That is what the locals are saying. So even if I dive here, I'm dead. Yeah, that is what they're saying. This place is very, very deep. And now because of the rain, your money may dive. See you. Okay.
So why don't you come and just see it for yourself? I promise you it's more beautiful in person than it looks on camera. So just come and see it. Just come and enjoy Lake Simbi Nyaima in Homa Bay County. So thank you so much for watching. Let me see you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye bye.